Guys, I just realized I messed up on something. I accidentally deleted one of my videos. I, I'm pretty sure it's called I'm Weird video. Um, I don't think I'll be able to recover that, but I will try to think of something. Or I'll just like redo that video. I don't know. Anyway, I just did this video to tell you guys I will have no purpose in life anymore, so I'm just trash. And even if my name, even like if my YouTube name doesn't like show like the Homestuck trash, just call me the Homestuck trash. Because I mean, the Undertale trash has already been taken. I was thinking about the Homestuck hasn't, but nah, no, it's not. I mean, it would just kind of be copyrighted towards the Undertale